Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable reCAPTCHA verification in mobile apps, full guide step by step clearly. To enable reCAPTCHA verification in your mobile app, start by visiting the Google reCAPTCHA website. Create an account if you don't have one, or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, click on the Admin Console button. In the Admin Console, click on the plus icon to add a new site. Select the type of reCAPTCHA you wish to use, either reCAPTCHA v2 or reCAPTCHA v3. Provide the required information, including the label for your reCAPTCHA project. Next, add the domain names for your app, and for mobile apps, use your package name. Review and accept the terms of service, then click the Submit button. After submission, you will receive a site key and secret key. Now, integrate the reCAPTCHA SDK in your mobile application. For Android, open your build.gradle file and add the dependency for the reCAPTCHA SDK. Sync your project to ensure all dependencies are updated. For iOS, add the reCAPTCHA pod to your pod file and run pod install. Navigate to the part of your app where you want to implement the reCAPTCHA. For Android, initialize reCAPTCHA using the provided site key. For iOS, use the reCAPTCHA initializer and pass in your site key. Display the reCAPTCHA widget in your app's UI when necessary. Once the user completes the reCAPTCHA challenge, capture the response token. Send this token to your backend server for verification. On your backend, use the secret key to call the Google reCAPTCHA verification API. Check the response to confirm if the reCAPTCHA was completed successfully. If successful, proceed with the intended user action in your app. If not, handle the failure gracefully and prompt the user to try again. Test the reCAPTCHA implementation thoroughly on both Android and iOS devices. Make adjustments as needed based on user feedback. Document your implementation process for future reference and updates. Monitor the performance of reCAPTCHA in your app regularly. This ensures a secure and seamless user experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.